All right, so here we go. We have first two terms of geometric series have a sum of -4. So I'm going to take that and convert that into an equation. So the first term is u1. The second term is u2, or I could write it as u1r, and that equals -4. And I have two variables here, and eventually this problem is saying find the first term and the common ratio. So that's two variables. It means I need two equations. Here's one of them. And the IB likes to do this when they have lots of different kinds of funky equations and you have to get the variables and eliminate them somehow. The second part says the fourth and fifth term have a sum of 256. So I know u4 is the same as u1 times r cubed, and u5 is u1 r to the fourth, which is 256. I have two equations, two variables, then I can solve. But in order to do that, let's do a little bit of rearranging of these. I'm going to pull out a factor of u1 here. So u1, 1 plus r, is -4. And this one here, I'll pull out u1 r cubed. I get 1 plus r equals 256. And so now I have several options. I could solve for u1, substitute in, or I could also solve for 1 plus r and plug that in. I'm going to do that scenario. So I know that 1 plus r equals, squeezing it in here, -4 over u1. I'm going to take that and substitute it in this. I'm going to plug it in right there. And so when I do that, I end up with, I get u1 r cubed. Here's the substitution. I get -4 over u1 equal to 256. I can easily cancel my u1s away. And so I have let's go to blue, -4 r cubed equals 256. R cubed is -64. And so r, take the cube root, is -4. Here's my r value. That's the common ratio. Now to find u1, I could go to lots of places. I could go here, I go here. I'm going to use, I'll use this particular equation here. And so if I want u1, 1 plus -4 equals -4. And so u1 minus 3 equals -4. And so u1 equals 4/3.